before in my last video, you know, the anxiety has been acting up. So I decided to organize my groceries. And I got some things to last me for, I'm going to see if this can last me for 2 weeks. I believe that it can. I have some tomatoes here, and then I'll just add some more, obviously, fresh vegetables in there. But I have a cardamom because I'm going to make tea. I also have some some uh some vegan milk that I'm going to add to this. But really quick, I have cardamom, and I saved the packages from the ramen noodles because they give you way too much salt or seasoning in those. So I'm going to use this. Some coconut powder. These metal straws I want to try. I've had these for a while. That's why the packaging is a bit messed up. Paradis show. This is vegan and natural. Oats. 2 kinds of oats. These are like the bigger oats, and these are the fine ones. And then I got some muesli, some hazelnuts, orange lentils, green lentils, Jordan wheat spaghetti, green tea, cheddar cheese, tofu, brown rice, some ghee, Irish butter, some mince, dark chocolate coated cranberries, two chunky peanut butter Kit Kats, which I'm going to do a review on. I'll take this candy, and I'm saving the wrapper over there. I'm going to talk about my trash in a later video. Pumpkin seeds, and then these are my drinks and snacks because the holidays are coming up. So I'm going to have this over the 2 weeks, and I'll probably have this one for New Year's and this one for Christmas. And then some grapefruit drink. So I showed you the Hungarian paprika, strong. These are spicy. Peppers in here. And then I have this water here and this water over here. So yeah. Oh, and the tomatoes also. And I'm gonna talk about these, why I got these particular tomatoes in another video. So yeah, that's it, guys. So stay tuned for videos. Right now I'm boiling because I had some leftover of this pasta from like a week ago that was uncooked, so I'm cooking it now. And then I'm going to do meal planning, and now I don't have to worry about food for the next 2 weeks, so which should take me to into January. So ciao for now, y'all, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them below. And yeah, that's a coping mechanism. Because, I was listening to this other video, and they were saying a lot of times the anxiety comes from worrying about the future. So if you can plan out what your future is going to look like, even if it's the future meals, then that's why it's a coping mechanism. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. And in the next video, the next couple of videos, I want to talk about coping with depression and personality disorder. So, okay. Ciao for now, y'all. I love you guys. Stay warm, stay safe, and be grateful for what you have, guys, okay? Toodles. Ciao for now. I love y'all. Bye.